For decades, creating a 3D model was a long, difficult process reserved for experts, requiring years of training and expensive software. But what if you could turn a simple idea into a fully realized 3D model in mere seconds? A new AI revolution is making 3D modeling possible for everyone, and it's a total game changer. The tool leading this revolution is Tripo AI, a powerful generative AI platform. It creates professional-grade 3D assets from simple text prompts or a single image. You just upload a picture or type a description, and Tripo's AI gets to work. It's truly as easy as a few clicks. Let's see it in action. I can type a simple prompt like, a futuristic sci-fi helmet with glowing blue lights and a metallic texture. Within seconds, Tripo AI generates a textured, ready-to-use 3D model. Look at the details, the textures, and the clean design. It's not a flat image. It's a fully dimensional object you can rotate, inspect, and even use in games or animations. The applications are limitless. Game developers can use it to rapidly prototype assets. Artists can bring their concepts to life in 3 dimensions without spending hours on a single object. You can even generate a model and export it to a program like Blender for more advanced customization, or for 3D printing. It completely streamlines the creative workflow. The days of 3D modeling being a steep and expensive learning curve are over. Thanks to AI, anyone with an idea can now create in 3 dimensions. This is just the beginning of the creative revolution. This is AI Simplified. Like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.